At CDG Inspection, we set the global standard in testing services. Introducing our specialized N875 destructive tests on welds in metallic materials. N875 feet testing is critical for evaluating the impact strength of welded metallic materials. Impact tests under N875 feet are vital for industries such as construction, automotive, aerospace, and manufacturing to ensure the safety and quality of their structures. At CDG Inspection, our state-of-the-art facilities and expert technicians ensure that your testing needs are met with precision and care. Every sample is meticulously prepared to meet the exact requirements of N875. Our advanced testing techniques measure energy absorption during fracture, providing valuable insights into the material's toughness and resilience. N875 feet testing has diverse applications, from evaluating bridge components to automotive and aerospace parts, ensuring safety and performance. Quality is at the heart of what we do. At CDG Inspection, every test is conducted with precision and integrity. Partner with CDG Inspection to gain access to our unmatched expertise, prompt service, and comprehensive testing reports. With a global presence, CDG Inspection serves industries worldwide, making us the trusted partner for N875 feet testing. Our testing services help you comply with international standards, ensuring your products meet certification requirements. Every project is unique. That's why we offer customized solutions to meet your specific testing needs. We use cutting-edge technology to stay ahead, delivering faster, more accurate results for your business. Getting started is simple. Visit www.cdginspection.com to inquire about our N875 feet testing services today. CDG Inspection, your trusted partner for superior testing services. Contact us today and experience excellence.